front dock, we've got the schooner Yacht America right over here. And thank you very much to Troy Sears for bringing that out for us again, and also Staff Commodore Dennis Hahn. We also have thanks to Dr. Ray Ashley, the 140-foot revenue cutter California, which is docked right in front of the America. And please take some time this afternoon to take a full tour of those special boats. Beginning at 13:30. Time. 1:30. Beginning at 13:30 in the attorney base right here. The juniors are going to be running some Saturday guys, and I understand that they've got a series of races, one of which may or may not, depending on how adventurous we get, include several of the board members. Check over these. Also, help support the junior program. We're going to be running some raffle tickets, and we're going to be up on the front deck over by the ship's wheel. And last, Ed Lutzman, where's that?
Another last.
I said it last night. One of the first things I had to do for this year, make sure I had opening day covered. I tackled that in a consignment shop over at Ocean Beach. He said, I'll think about it. So I was stressed for a couple of weeks. But he finally came around and said he would help out. Ed, you do a fantastic job every year, and I thank you very much for doing it. All our members and guests for coming. And I would like to now turn my attention to our port captain, Riley Mixon. Port Captain Mixon is the San Diego Yacht Club prepared for commissioning and the opening of our yachting season. I've just been passed a note that the bratwurst is going to be served directly behind you in the Jessup room after the ceremony. Now, I'd like to warn everybody who hasn't been here. Here, we've got California out here. And we've got a little pop gun going off on the bow over here, but after that, California's got big cannons. I'm not lying when I say, be ready. Let's feel it. And with that, I hereby declare San Diego Yacht Club's 127th yachting season officially open.
know the secret of finding people at a yacht club?
What's that?
Go to the bar.
Yeah, well, my son has his 2-year-old with him, so and he doesn't drink a whole lot, so I don't think he'll be there.
Well, everybody winds up having to go to the bar for some reason.